Hey YouTube, hey Georgia Bigfoot here. Recently had the chance to go to El Mirasol in San Antonio, Texas. This is their table sauce they bring out to you with their really thick, crunchy chips. The chips are almost like what we call in our family pastry chips. I mean, they're really, really good. And that red sauce is really fantastic. And this is what those chips look like up close. And we all ordered something different off the menu, and we really had a good time here. The server was fantastic, and our friends had basically told us that the server had been waiting on them for over 20 years, which had come from a previous El Mirasol location. And just when a restaurant has that kind of loyalty out of their servers, that's really impressive. So here's more of the food. There's their cheese dip. Their cheese dip is yellow cheese, but it's really thick and rich and creamy and tasty. And wow, we really enjoyed it. Here's the bottom of their salsa bowl. I really like the way their bowls looked. I was like, man, maybe I get some information off of it and get one just like it. So back to the menu here, looking at it a little bit closer. For those of y'all who've never been there or want to know what's on the menu, I was recording that just so we could have it, you know. So many times it's hard to get menus for especially unique places like this, and wanted to have it as a memory and also to help other people out. So here's one of our plates coming up, and there's so many things on it. I can't obviously see everything going on there, but you can just tell by looking at it, it's not only artistic looking, but beautiful and tastes great too.